everybody, how are you? I hope you're having a great start to your week. I just noticed the lighting. I'm not enjoying this lighting right now, but it's really bright sun coming through my window on this Monday, August 3rd. I hope you're having a great start to the week. It was a pretty good weekend, low-key. How about you? Here in Chicago, Illinois, it was Lollapalooza, and I heard it was a good event, except they got some rain and it turned into this big muddy mess down near Grant Park. So for those of you that went, I hope you had a great time. It's not my jam. I wouldn't want to be down there with a crowd and mud and stuff, but I heard people had a good time. So onward and upward, right? So anyway, I went Saturday to go see the Odyssey with my friend Rob, and with high expectations. My only thing about it, the cinematography and the sound was really good. I will have to tell you that. I wish I would have seen it on a larger screen like a lot of people recommended. That just wasn't available at the time. Long ass movie. Boy, these people the directors that make these 3-hour movies, it's a bit much to sit there for 3 hours. Did I enjoy it? Yeah, it was all right. I thought it was going to be a whole lot better. Some really great acting and effects and things like that, but it's kind of my one and done. Sunday, I was playing Martha Stewart here in my kitchen, my small kitchen. I don't even know how I did this, but I can jam, as you know, during the summer. So I tried to finish up by Labor Day, and I did dill pickles. Here's a picture right here. They turned out pretty good, I think. I maybe should have added more dill in some of the jars. They said, you know, like 3 heads of dill, and I don't know what that was, the big head of it or the smaller little heads that were around it. So in 6 weeks, about 2 months, I think I'm going to wait now, open up a jar and test it out. So I hope they are good. I had a lot of cucumbers left over. The recipe said, oh, there's like 5 in a jar or something. Well, there wasn't. So I ended up putting them downstairs in my apartment building, and somebody got them. So I'm happy about that. Market Days is happening this coming weekend here in Chicago on Northalsted. It will be a great time. Weather looks like it's going to be a hot one, so the boys will be out with their shirts off. You know, they've been working out all year for this one last gay high holy day. So a little eye candy for us guys walking around and stuff, so it'll be nice. A lot of local bands, artists, things like that. A lot of great booths and stuff I'd like to check out this weekend. And here's a little flyer for Market Days. Yep. And my only plan right now is to see comedian Jessica Kirsten on Sunday at 6:30. And I hope they said it might rain, but I want to see her because I think she's absolutely hilarious. That's all I got, folks. So, got a few things to do today. I have to go get my updated COVID shot today. It usually makes me a little nervous because I feel a little wonky after that. So, but I'm about 15 minutes away of getting that shot, and I wanted to record this before I went. So, I really got jazz hands today, don't I? Anyway, I hope you have a good Monday and a good week. I will see you on Thursday. If you're coming here to Market Days, book now. It's probably overbooked, but there'll probably be a few spots for hotels and things downtown Chicago. Doubtful if it's around in my neighborhood in East Lakeview. But anyway, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you always. I'm still checking out this light here. It's just too bright. It's just bleh. So subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate your support. And I will talk to you on Thursday. Have a good few days, everybody. Take care.